Our research also looked at other risky road user behaviour, such as speeding, seatbelts, but in particular mobile phone use. And what we were able to determine, the common denominator in a lot of cases, is if someone's using the mobile phone, they're more likely to speed, they're more likely to use a seatbelt. And the guards have put forward today their experience where they have stopped people from minor road offences such as crossing a white line or illegal parking, and they have breathalyzed people and found them to be over the limit. So really what we've been doing as well, in conjunction with Toyota this week, we released a new app, the Toyota app called Face It Down, because mobile phone, smartphone use has become much more complex now. It's not just a matter of making a phone call. People are checking their social media. They're actually streaming. They're actually uploading videos. They're actually putting photographs up. Crazy behaviour. So the Toyota app is called Face It Down. When you get into the car, you face your phone down and leave it there until you finish your journey. Any kind of distraction, and we've seen it manifest itself in rear-ending people, much more serious consequences of crashing and injuring and killing people. So really the mobile phone is a big risk these days, and people are just not heeding the message and ending up in dreadful situations.